came out of the water a little while ago there.
Yeah, well they're here then. We'll do a couple of loops.
Loops around, yeah.
Can you mark it? Well, we're at hit waypoint, the bottom left twice. Okay? It made a red cross there. Now you can zoom in. See the red cross?
Yeah, okay, right there.
In there. That's where we want to do some. We're going to do some little short circles.
Do you think?
Oh, what happened? It's gone. Oh, okay. I was going to say, what the hell?
Do you think?
Just keep that tip up. Don't make tension.
Don't worry about it.
Keep tension on.
You're going to have to walk. You'll be better to come over to his
Over
side
this
over
side,
here.
yes.
Come over here.
Come over here,
Right here's going
Edmund.
to get all fucked up here.
Swing around the line now, eh?
All right, Edmund, come over here. Watch it, Ramos. Edmund, come to this corner, but keep the tension. Don't let go of the
Don't let go
tension.
of the
Keep the tip up. Anytime you feel it slacking, you
Put that on the other side.
You crank a little harder to keep the tension.
Bonita?
Bonita?
Blackfin. Wouldn't that be nice?
Shark?
No, it's Bonita.
Bonita.
Bring her on over.
That's a tuna.
Tuna!
That's a tuna family.
Albacore.
Albacore tuna.
You cut the blood.
Can you pull that out of there? Just a pincher.
Start moving, right?
Oh, yeah.
I'll do it again.
All right.
You guys get some ready.
Don't you gotta bore it by the head or something?
What?
You gotta bore it by the head.